In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. Slack canvases are shared, lightweight documents that live right inside your channels and direct messages. They're perfect for meeting notes, project briefs, checklists, or any information you want your team to see alongside the conversation. Let's walk through creating one from scratch so you can start organizing your work in context. First, open Slack and navigate to the channel where you want your canvas to live. Pick the place where the information will be most useful, because anyone with access to that channel will be able to view it and, depending on permissions, collaborate on it. If you plan to keep your notes with a specific team or project, choose that channel so everything stays together. Next, look for the Add Canvas option in the channel. You'll typically find it near the top of the channel, close to the channel name or details area. Clicking Add Canvas creates a space that's tied to this channel, making it easy for teammates to find it later without digging through files or threads. If you don't see the option, your workspace settings may limit who can create canvases, so you might need to check with an admin. When the menu opens, select New Blank Canvas. You may also see templates, which can be handy for recurring formats like agendas or status updates. But to keep things simple here, choose a blank one. A fresh canvas gives you full control over the structure and helps you learn the basics quickly. Now, give your canvas a clear, descriptive title. Think about what will help people recognize it at a glance and find it through search later. A helpful pattern is to include the team or project, the purpose, and the date. For example, Marketing Stand-Up Notes, April. You can always rename it later, but a strong title sets the tone for how the canvas will be used. With your canvas open, start editing. Click into the body and begin typing. Use the formatting toolbar to add headers for sections, bold or italics for emphasis, and bullet points or checklists for action items. You can insert links for reference materials, drop in images or files to keep assets close by, and structure content with dividers so it's scannable. Group related information under clear headings, keep paragraphs short, and put decisions and next steps near the top so they're easy to spot. Slack automatically saves your changes, and teammates can collaborate in real time, so you'll always be working from the latest version. That's it. Open the right channel, add a canvas, create a blank one, title it well, and then edit it to fit your team's needs. Now you're ready to use canvases to keep work organized and accessible right where the conversation happens.